look at as a commemoration of making that link, the Yam Festival. So yeah, we definitely gonna look at that and see how we could incorporate that and really get it to something that we can celebrate not just for the Yam, but also as making the reconnection with our Igbo culture.
To make that connection, because there are those who want to make that connection. There are those who want to make that connection and stuff like that, whether it's for spiritual, whether it's to learn the art and all this different stuff, because there are people who have that interest, so
okay.
I must commend them for coming on, and at the same time the hours difference, it's 2 hours past 2 a.m. in the morning, so can I understand the commitment that he made to be a part of the show. So gotta commend you again. Enough respect for that.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother Tafari. You really. I commend this program, and if invited again, definitely I will make the same sacrifice over and over and again. You made mention about the yam. I am encouraging you, since this staple crop, the yam, has been there with you. It's just that maybe the new culture has not really given so much attention to the yam crop. I would advise that you start it up again. Start planting yams. And I think that is a good way for us to reconnect, because right here, the Igbo people, it's part of our culture to celebrate yam. It is the king of staple crops. It is one of the spiritual foods, as we believe. We celebrate it. It won't be out of place for you one day with a proper invitation. You visit here to see what is happening, to understand this connection firsthand. Yeah, what you have there is what you studied, but what happens to what you can learn, the soil, the people, the interesting places to visit, spiritual sites, and you understand the reason why you must hold on to what you have. It's your heritage. It's not as if maybe you borrowed it. So you can, as an agricultural people, the program is everything agriculture. I commend that you start again planting yams, and you will see the benefits, you see the spiritual growth and what have you. And I think that should be the basis of our connection. The Yam Festival, Iriji, celebrating yam. I think by the grace of Almighty, this will happen, and it will be the connecting factor between our regions. Thank you, and may God Almighty bless all of us.
Yes, my brother, give thanks, and I like the sound of that. That's something that we could probably really look at as a commemoration of making that link, the Yam Festival. So yeah, we definitely gonna look at that and see how we could incorporate that and really get it to something that we can celebrate not just for the Yam, but also as making the reconnection with our Igbo culture.
Thank you.
So people, I really want to give thanks to all of you who would have tuned in and listened. I want to thank those of you who are actually going to share it as well. And I really want to thank you, Chief, for staying up this late to make this contribution. It really speaks of your commitment to this movement, to be up after 2 in the morning in your time, to be here just to speak with us. We really and truly appreciate it, and I'm sure the team here at Real Entertainment Network is also pleased with your your presentation and being a part of the show. So we do look forward to having you in the future. And keep us updated with what is going on with the organization and anything that is there to share and learn. Feel free to share with me, and we will seek to add on the platform according. And as I said, when we get the dates going in terms of the Zoom calls and the Zoom meetings, we will announce them here as well. So give thanks, and we're going to see if we can get our team to wrap up and take us out of here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So
thank you.